In this video, we will show you how to replace your plate light bulb. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. Go ahead and open up your rear door. Once you have that open, you're going to make your way to the lower panel. On this panel, you're going to find several push clips that make their way around. Several of ours are missing. To remove these, use a trim tool. We'll get in between the door itself and the panel and gently pop out each of the push clips. As I said, there should be several of them making their way all the way around the door. With that panel off of there, you're going to be able to find each of your plate light assemblies. You'll find one right here and one right over here. To remove these, if you were to reach up inside and grab along the sides of the assembly, you'll find two little squeeze tabs. Squeeze those in and gently press this up and out of the vehicle. Now let's make our way to the outside of the door. With that out of the door, continue on by removing the wiring. For the wiring, just grab onto the connector and the plate light assembly and give them a gentle tug to separate them. Once it comes apart, give it a quick check for corrosion. The next thing we need to do is use a small pocket screwdriver. We're going to have to separate the assembly because the plate light bulb is inside. To separate this, get in between the two plastic areas with your small screwdriver and gently pry it apart. With that open, continue on by removing the bulb from the assembly. The bulb for this is a 194. All right friends, let's get ready for our installation. Take that bulb and slide it into position in the assembly. Once you feel as though you have it pressed in, give it a wiggle to make sure it's completely secure. After that, close up the assembly. Listen for a click. Give that a tug. That feels good. Now we can install the assembly in the vehicle. When you do this, you want to make sure that you have the clear lens facing down. Let's connect in the connector. Slide it into place. Once it's in place in the door, give it a wiggle to make sure it's secured. The process will be the same for either. Now let's make our way inside the door and put on the panel. Set it in place and then put in all of your push clips. All right friends, once you've installed your plate light bulb, make sure you test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.